Hey, random people out there on the internet. This is a quick video as a follow-up to my most recent video showing how to resaw boards and things of that nature. I did have one of my viewers that made a comment that I respect. He said that some of what I did looked dangerous. And in retrospect, if you're a beginner, yeah, it could have been dangerous. I felt I was in full control, but a newbie may have some issues with it, and it has to do with using the tapering jig that I bought. So we're going to talk about that for a minute. This is the tapering jig that I used. Has a rail on it, hold down clamps. Seemed like a good idea when I bought it, but I got to be honest, I feel like maybe I wasted my money on this because I don't have a saw that works well for it. And I'll show you what goes wrong. The way that this jig is designed, it slips into the rail or the T-track. But on a saw my size, it needs support all the way through. As you pass this through, because of the T-track, it strikes the other end. Where my workbench is set up for my tabletop, this T-track doesn't work out. So what I did in the video is I moved it over so that I could get the T-track past it. But when I did, gravity got a hold of it. And then it fell forward like this. The reason that I'm shooting this video is because if you're new and trying to get into this, there are some things that you can do and get by with it, and there are some things that you can do that could be particularly dangerous. In my opinion, I do not like this particular jig. I'm going to probably make one for myself because it just isn't what I had in mind. Longer pieces don't work well on it, and for tapering a small piece is probably okay, but I don't like the fact that this T-rail strikes my outfeed bench. I'd have to lift up my saw or drop my bench for this to be a practical application. So, lesson learned. I appreciate the comments, particularly to the one that was honest with me and felt like I had done something dangerous. And I apologize because it turns out that's one of my most viewed videos, and there's part of it that you probably shouldn't try unless you're very experienced. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your views and your subscriptions. I appreciate your comments and your shares. And as always, please be safe.